If you're an educator, you know that every student learns differently. And that's what makes teaching both rewarding and challenging. Inclusion is something we all aim for, but it isn't always easy to personalize learning for everyone. That's where AI can become a true ally. Let's see how that can look in practice. Magic School AI is a magnific tool for teachers. It has all sorts of AI generated things that you can create. There's an AI chat box that you can chat to. There's tool recommendations where you can just put what you're teaching. I am a special education teacher and I teach primary school students, mostly students in year 5, and it can tell you what the best tools that it has that are for you, especially if you work with students with specific learning difficulties. This is super useful, from lesson plans to assessments that are multiple choice to rubrics that you can use to assess the students. There's all sorts of things, tools that can be used, but you can also play around and see everything. So there's from image generators, it creates lesson plans, it can adapt the individualized educational program to the specific learning difficulties of the student. It generates worksheets that you can choose how difficult you want them to be. It can level any text to adapt it to fit the reading level or skills of a student. So if we have a student with dyslexia, this can be very useful. We can generate social stories for a student with autism where they can practice different conversations. There's all sorts of tools for teachers that are very, very useful and that are AI generated. Again, I know that this can be a bit of a debate. The goal is not to make classrooms more technological, is to make classrooms more human. We want to use AI to remove the barriers that take up so much time and energy, and so that you can create a space for what I believe truly matters, which is connection, creativity, and care towards our students. We can use the AI tools in education in order to reflect, asking ourselves, how can I make this lesson more accessible for students with ADHD or with autism? AI as a teacher should not replace your professional judgment, but it can give you new strategies or perspectives that maybe you've not thought of. Again, it should not replace teachers, but teachers who use AI wisely will have, in my opinion, more time to teach with the heart. So that's what real inclusion should look like. So I do encourage you to play around with this tool. It's massive. It has thousands of different things that it can help you with. And I think it's free, and it's super, super useful. So this is the last tool that I wanted to show you today. And I hope you really enjoyed, this course and you found it very useful. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. This was just a small bite of what you can learn on sheai.com. If you want to go deeper into this topic or the vast world of AI, check out our courses designed to give you practical knowledge that you can start applying today. Find the link to join in video description below. Before you go, if you got any value from this video and want to support our mission of closing the gender gap through AI literacy and education, please give it a quick like and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate the support.